right, team. Today's the day for the big village market. Oink! This cart is getting heavier every week, but it's worth it for the fans. That doesn't look like a normal rain cloud. We should head back to the farm. Look! The dam is cracking! If it goes, the whole valley will flood! Help!
Hold it steady, Porky. I'm almost there.
Gotcha! Don't let go, little guy! One more push! We have to hold it until the storm passes!
You're safe now, Billy. The farm is your home for as long as you need it.
Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day for the farm. Good morning, little guy. You look much better after a good night's rest.
We need to finish those repairs on the dam today. Can't take any chances with more rain.
I've got the heavy stuff. Mono, grab the extra rope from the stable. Look at him go. Billy's got his energy back already. The cart held up, but we need to replace these splintered boards before the next tide. Holding it now, Mono. Nail it down.
That is it, Billy. Pack it tight so no water can sneak through. Whoops! Don't worry, I've got a grip on things.
There. This dam is stronger than it has ever been. I think we all earned an extra big helping of apple pie tonight. Everything is secure. The valley is safe, and so are we.
Who is there at this hour?
We heard what you did at the dam. The village wanted to make sure you had a real feast. These are the best berries in the whole valley. Wood and mud saved us today, but tomorrow we start with stone. We build it to last forever.
We really did it, didn't we?
No clouds in sight. A perfect day for moving some rocks.
Just a few more feet. This is gonna be the strongest dam in history. Look, we're not doing this alone. The whole valley is here to help.
Together, we've built more than just a dam. We've built a home that will last for everyone.
Finally, a moment of peace. The valley feels alive again. The village is waiting. Let's get these baskets filled and head back to the market.
Only the best for our neighbors. These carrots are prime, Porky.
Look, Billy, this is where we share the farm with the rest of the world. Oink! I think they're happy to see us and the apples.
Just like that, Billy. A little kindness goes a long way.
Step right up. The sweetest apples in the valley, served with a show. We've come a long way from that storm. The valley looks so peaceful from here.
A full day and an empty cart. That's what I call a success.
Sleep well, Valley. We'll be ready for whatever tomorrow brings.
Home sweet home. I think we all deserve a very long nap. I'll put the baskets away. Ruby, can you check if we have enough oats for Billy?
Porridge is almost ready.
We make a pretty good team, don't we? Even the new guy fits right in.
Just
5 minutes. Then we'll start the chores.
The storm really did bring some life back to the soil.
Take it easy, little one. You'll have plenty of time to be a farm goat.
It's solid as a rock. We won't have to worry about this for a long time.
We saved the farm. And we found a new friend along the way. Look at this place. It is like the whole valley is celebrating with us.
I knew those rains would be good for something. This one is a winner for the next market. It is from the village mayor. They want us to lead the parade at the Harvest Festival. Everything has to be perfect. We are representing Green Valley today. You look sharp, Mono. Don't go getting those boots muddy before we even get there. Here we go! The heroes of the dam are headed to town! Green Valley is back in business! It wasn't just us. It was the valley itself. When we look out for each other, no storm can pull us down. Oink! This is the best day ever! To Green Valley. And to us. That was a night we will never forget. But I am ready for my own bed.
The valley looks so still today. It is hard to believe there was a storm at all.
You are a fast learner, Billy. Those carrots will be the best in the valley.
Looks like the storm left us one last little souvenir to fix. Steady there, Porky. Just a few more handfuls and we will be dry as a bone. We have to help the river heal too. New roots will keep the bank strong.
Back to the routine. But this time, it feels even better. You held up well, old friend. You held up well.
There is nowhere else I would rather be. The farm is finally home again.
Rise and shine, Ruby! The valley is waiting for us!
Wink. Nothing beats a breakfast straight from the dirt, eh, Billy?
Easy does it, Mono. We want the customers to see red, not bruises.
Good morning, Village Market. Green Valley's best has arrived. Perfect. Now that is a display that says fresh. best in the valley, I promise. Grown with extra sunshine and a little bit of monkey business.
It is good to see everyone smiling again. The storm feels like a lifetime ago.
Strong as ever. We did a good job, team.
Another successful day. I think Billy is finally starting to feel at home.
Rise and shine, Ruby. The eggs won't collect themselves.
Oink! Look at you go, little guy. You're getting stronger every day. These carrots are prime today. The customers at the market are going to love them. Hold it steady. We don't want a pumpkin rolling away halfway to the village. Next stop, the village market. Everyone ready? Good morning, everyone. Green Valley is open for business.
It's all about the presentation, Ruby. People eat with their eyes first.
Grown with farm-fresh spring water and plenty of love. Don't miss out on these beauties.
We've almost sold it all. Best market day we've had in a long time.
Let's head home, team. The valley is calling. Almost there, everyone. I can already smell the hay and rest.
Good job today, team. That was our best market haul yet.
I think I could sleep for a week.
Just a few more steps, Billy. Your bed is waiting.
Rest easy, little one. You're home now.
We're finally closing up. I'm beat.
Me too, Mono. It's been a long day. Good night, Valley. See you at sunrise. It is a beautiful morning, Mono. Everything feels brand new.
That is it, Billy. A little attention goes a long way with these carrots.
Easy does it, Mono. We want these looking perfect for the market.
Look at that dam. She is holding up just fine, team. Good morning, neighbors. Green Valley is open for business.
Step right up. The sweetest apples in the valley, served with a smile.
It is good to be back to normal. Oink. Best market day yet. Oink. Looks like Billy needed a midday bath.
A full day's work and an empty cart. Time to head home.
Sleep well, Valley. We will see you at sunrise. Good work today, everyone. The market was a success, and the cart is light.
There is nothing like the smell of this kitchen after a long trip to the village.
I could sleep for a whole week.
Safe and sound in your own bed, Billy. No more storms for us tonight.